Alright guys, right in front of me, we made it to Miyashita Park Mall. This wasn't here last time I was here, so this is brand new. It just opened up right when the pandemic hit. So it's pretty cool coming here. We got the Louis Vuitton building right here. We're gonna go ahead and explore this place and get some food. Let's go. Alright, what's cool is they give free drinks out in the street here. I'm not so sure what this is. It says Zone Energy. That's cool. I like how they used to do this also even with Red Bull. That's pretty cool. It's very interesting. Thank you. Zone Energy. It's a Zone Booster. It's like an energy drink. I like how they just give it out onto the streets of Shibuya. This is a cool one, man. This is a good one. It's kind of like how those Red Bull girls or Monster girls will go around and give you free drinks. It's nice getting free Ozone energy drink. So this area over here, I can already see it's very busy. This is the Miyashita Yokocho. We're gonna go ahead and cross through and check it out. So it's the 3rd anniversary of Miyashita Park. So this is 3 years in, since 2020. We're gonna go check out the food hall, see what we can eat here. There's even this premium Wagyu, wow. And we're gonna go check this food court out here at the food hall Miyashita. All right, they have a Taco Bell here, a Panda Express, Volume Cafe Bar, and I think Meguro Market. The only hard part about this place is probably trying to find a seat. This looks good, this veg goal. Not so sure. I'm kind of craving some meat and some rice. There's of course Panda Express, which is always good. We'll go ahead and try. But this Meguro Mart is kind of catching my eye. There's even McDonald's here. But we'll see. We'll see what we can find here at Miyashita. Oh, it's like a poke bowl. Okay. I guess Panda wins. All right, so we just finished eating here in the food hall that they have here. It's crazy that they still put this glass in front of people. So it's like a divider. I think for coronavirus. Yeah, for coronavirus, I guess. Yeah, so you can't share. You can't grab anything. It's an interesting type of food court for me. Jen went over to the Japanese McDonald's and got these, I don't know what they are, chocolate pies.
Yeah. Ate kayo, ma, masarap yan, mag chocolate.
I didn't fill that up.
Holy shit. Chocolate pie. Here, try. Wow. What?
Tastes like
Chocolate.
and bison. Oh wow.
I told you, wow.
The bread is so flaky. Like a croissant. I highly recommend this chocolate pie from McDonald's. Wow. Very good. Wow. Look at this waffle cone ice cream here in Japan. Wow. Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh wow. This is some high-end ice cream.
Yeah.
And it's from McDonald's. Crazy. Oh, yeah.
Pag ginawa mo na lahat.
Hazelnut.
Pati yung Ikaw pinakakarap.
Looks like you could rent out, I don't know what this is, pocket Wi-Fi? Oh no, it's batteries if you ever need it here at Miyashita Park. They call it Sequence. Also, the restrooms here. It's ironic that right across the restroom there's a smoking spot. Like a place for you to smoke cigarettes. Like right in here, you can smoke cigarettes in here. All right, so it's like a mall and then restaurants or food hall, and then it connects to another mall. Up here is the way to the park, I believe, but it's super beautiful here, you know? Like if you're into photography, this is a great spot for you to just like wait and to take some cool shots of people. Look down there. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and find an elevator, go up, and we'll check out that space up there. But we're gonna walk through this way first. So come join me. I hope you guys are enjoying this tour of Miyashita. I mean, not really a detailed tour, but just a random tour of Miyashita Park. They call it Sequence Mall, whatever it's called. We'll go ahead and check it. Alright guys, just walking around. I can't read that, but it looks like a cool restaurant. And another cafe just over here with all these cool dishes. We're gonna go ahead and take this elevator up and check out the roof of Miyashita, which is pretty much the main attraction of this place. I don't think people really come here for the mall. I think people really come here more for the rooftop views and also maybe for food. And then they go out and check out Shibuya, the streets of Shibuya more. Also on the lower floors, there's the high-end brands like Louis Vuitton and more. But of course, it's not Japanese. I don't think you guys want to see that. It's just a Louis Vuitton store. Expensive stuff. All right, so we're now here at the famous Miyashita Park. There's a Starbucks over there. And I know if you keep going down over here, they sometimes have some cool like events here. Look at this grass. Cool. We'll go ahead and go this way. We don't really want. I don't really want to check out over there. Yeah. Famous place to do TikToks. Also, all the Japanese young schoolgirls come here to do TikToks. And besides TikToks, they sometimes have really cool creative spaces up here at Miyashita Koen Park on the fourth floor here. Besides the Starbucks, yeah. All right, it's my first time here. I remember before, this whole place was just a cool park where you could do rock climbing, and there's a cool skate park, which I really miss. The old Nike park here was really good to skate. Now I know there's a skate park here, but it's not so great. I know it has like a, what do you call that? Like sand, volleyball and stuff. And then of course like the skate park is like just more for transition. Well, who knows, we'll show you how it looks. Just over there, you can see the Shibuya sky. All right, so as you can see, there's a lot of like teenagers that come here and hang out at Miyashita Park, doing their TikToks. And there's a Doraemon sculpture over here. That's cool. I don't know what it's for. Well, that's cool, Doraemon. There's a Samsung stage. This is the park center, I believe. This might be the area where you register to do the skateboarding, and I guess it's called Miyashita Sports Beach. Yeah, you could do like volleyball here. There's also a skate park right down there, and when you do go down to the next floor down, I believe there's the instant skate shop. Shout outs to Shoma. Shout outs to all the homies that work over there at an instant skate shop here in Miyashita. We'll go ahead and go down. Multi-purpose sports facility. And then again, more TikToks. Looks like they have a little, I guess, food truck here, as well as this. They're not open at the moment, but it's called Dig Cafe. Airstream, maybe that's like coffee. But yeah, you can see the cool beach stuff that is over there, and you could also see the rock climbing that you can do over here. And just earlier you saw that's where you go register. Let's go look at the skate park over here, see what's good. It doesn't look like anyone's in there at the moment, so yeah. Also, I do gotta say this again, I rather have the old Miyashita skate park than this one. Look at this. This is cool. Look at that pool coping. I mean, it's I don't know, in my opinion, it's pretty angled wrong. Like, you kind of got a cool carve over there as a bowl. But like skating this is like more for like flow. And you really just will probably do some slashes. Maybe some airs. I'm not so sure. Pretty simple. Probably the only thing I would want to skate here is that bench. Besides that. But yeah, so that was Miyashita Park, 3rd floor. I don't know, but honestly, I appreciate the older times of Miyashita, Koen. This place used to be real street and gritty. Even the skate park was more street. There was like homeless people. It's cool. There's also this cool spot right here where you could take a picture of the World War II, what's that called? Bar area, alley, and see some cool trains pass by.
When riding the escalator, please hold a handrail and stand inside the yellow line on the step.
Got the Yamanote line passing by. So pretty cool. Alright, so just on the 3rd floor over here in this side, after the skate park, you got an instant skate shop. I'm just gonna peep in real fast, see what they have. There we go. Instant skate shop, and there's some coffee shops, and over here looks like they're doing a cool presentation of manga. I'm not so sure. Looks pretty cool. Got Leske skateboards, that's cool. Some snack, magenta, some fucking awesome. Weird, check out the shape of a fucking awesome. That's some steep nose, man. Not bad. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed Miyashita Koen Park here in Shibuya. It's a pretty cool park. Come here, chill out with friends and all that stuff. It's pretty cold right now, but I do recommend you come here as well. There's a lot of cool stuff to do. So let's see, Miyashita Park.